What's going on, guys? So today the Q50 Sport's gonna get a little love today. We're gonna try to yank out this battery. It looks like it's gonna be kind of a pain, so see if I can record it. First we're gonna pull her into the garage just a little bit. And then we'll see what we're looking at here. As you can see, it's gonna be a very tight fit, so take this cover off. I think we're gonna have to take off this shroud and this shroud to get her out. Let's give it a shot. I want to hook this up to the trickle charge, so hopefully we don't lose any of the memory. For instance, like time settings, radio settings, so that should keep power going through the car. Alright, here we are at the local auto parts store right here, O'Reilly's. Let's go ahead and pick up this battery in the wife's car, which is the wife's car, by the way. Alright, well, we picked up the battery, so I'm going to throw that in the wife's car and get old Q50 Sport. Check this thing I found out while getting that battery. So what is this exactly? Toyota?
What is it called? X-Runner.
X-Runner?
X-Runner.
X-Runner. Man, this thing's sweet. And it's a 2J swap that you done?
Yep.
Man, Tyler, you're gonna have to see this, man. Dude, thanks for letting me record this, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Look at
That's like
that.
sitting in the parking lot. I had to come park next to you.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, that thing is cool. Sweet 2JZ. See if we can get him over here. Oh my. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's see how well I record holding a camera while it's dry. Not too bad. Alright, let's put it back in now. And not too bad for first time replacing that battery. Alright, time for one more project. I was messing with the carbon fiber piece and I broke it. So I have a replacement piece, so let's go ahead and put that bad boy on. Alright, so last time I cut my finger. Let's see if I won't do it this time. Oh, see, look at that. Garbage, huh? There should be the new piece. Alright. And here's the new piece. So it should go on something like that. Yeah. Just like that. But let's go ahead and put some double side tape. Now I gotta clean the whole car. Alright, change the battery, put on a new carbon fiber piece. Let's go take it for a little test run here. Show you guys what this Q50 Sport is all about. One thing I think is really cool with the Q50s is this Bose soundbar thing. Goes all the way across. Try to keep it in focus. Pretty neat. So there's a bunch of different variants of this car, and this is the wife's car. This thing is really, really fun to drive. Even though in the sport edition, sport mode. Oh, here we go. You got personal for the key fob, sport, standard, eco, and snow. And a big difference that you do feel for sure between a sport and a regular Q50 is how fast it does shift. It has paddle shifters, knob here. You go through here, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I can get this on screen. Let it load. G-forces. And which way your steering wheel's turned for the track. And your compass. G-force meter for front, back, side to side, your miles per gallon, and your fuel flow meter. Fuel flow meter again, fuel consumption, fuel economy if you'd like, and then back to this one. So we'll leave it on this one. Go ahead, leave it in sport mode. This guy, you know, the normal gauge you got. But what's really cool is shows the tire pressures once you start driving the course. So anyways, yeah, let's take this bad boy out for a spin. I just have it on auto mode. I don't have it on manual. Of course, manual here is the slapstick or the paddles. And it was really cool with the Sport. You get the bigger front and rear brakes. I believe they're Akinobo when Nissan and Infiniti switched over after the 350Z from Brembo. And of course, the Sport's transmission, 7-speed auto. And when you put in sport mode, the suspension stiffens up. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, for this year is the 2014, which came with the 3.7, the same motor that comes in the 70Z and the Sport. So kind of like a Infiniti's Nismo type edition, I guess you could compare it to. But yeah, this thing really. This thing's a lot of fun to drive. And also this particular one is all-wheel drive. They have a rear-wheel drive version and an all-wheel drive. We needed the all-wheel drive to replace the WRX we had. It's a little safer in these conditions that eventually get up here, especially that snow mode. And it works great. Hopefully later on this year we can show you how that snow mode works. Yeah, we'll try a quick pull. Woo! Man, I'm telling you, this car is fun. Anyways, yeah, I was gonna go take it to the car wash, but line's too long. I got other stuff I got to do today. But just a little bit about the car that the wife wanted done. We de-chromed everything and put all the little carbon fiber inserts that they make for this car, including the front splitter and the rear diffuser, and it makes it look really sharp. And we also upgraded all 4 rotors for drilled and slotted for the bigger brake system. The exhaust is got a Tanabe exhaust installed on this one, so definitely makes it sound a lot better. Well, since I didn't get any good shots of the car because I couldn't get it washed, I'll just post some pictures right up here, what it looks like, and I'll do a walk around in a future video to come. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little maintenance and a new piece of carbon fiber install. So yeah, anyways, you guys have a good one.